it's Tanya from BIMTLY. In our last video, I showed you how you can easily upload any 3D model into our 3D Studio. And today I'm going to show you some other very interesting options. So let's start. We click on the 3D model and we're inside. On the top left corner, you can see the option Project Settings. So let's click it. And here you see that you have a lot of options you can play with. So let's go from the beginning. At first, we have some information about the model. It says about the number of objects, materials, bounds. Concerning the scene around our 3D model, we see that we can change the color. It can be solid. It can be linear. Or radial. Or we can just go back to the image as it was. If we want to show axis, it means that it always shows us the middle. If we want to have the default view, which is now updated, or we can clear it, it means that we always want to have the house on the very same position when we refresh the page. So I'm going to set the current view, update, refresh the page, and you see that the location and the position is completely the same. If I want some other, I just click clear. Concerning the dimensions, what is very important is the units. We can see that it can be in centimeters, meters, inches, and feet. We click here, measure, and we can see the numbers. So when we go again, you can see how they change. And if you want some specific color, you can choose it here. For example, let's use this one, red. Here we have the selection part. It means that you can select a part on your 3D model. For example, we're going to select this. And you can see that it can be outlined as it is now, or it can be highlighted. So you can change it here. Here we have another option, environment and lights. You can see that under environment, you can change the place that you want to be in. So it can be studio, by night, by dawn, forest, lobby, lab. Let's just stick to studio for now. And here you'll see that you can change environment intensity and ambient light. Here we see that we can play with some different kinds of shadows. For example, we have simple. You can see that it appears here. Or for example, we can choose real time. And then the shadow can cast or receive. And here we also have the augmented reality view, which we can also enable. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorial.